home screen of the application. This is the Meta platform application here, the AI video creation application. So here you can scroll in the home section here to be able to scroll and look at a lot of AI videos generated on the platform. You can go ahead and give it a like if you like the video, and as well you can tap on the plus icon here to watch edit the video to your liking or give it a remix. So I'm gonna scroll again and see if we can see a different one. For example, this one here, I can either swap the person in the video, can change the music that's being played in the video, can change the image overall, can change the animation, made some changes, pretty much editing the video to my liking using this application. So you can tap on change animation. Let's say I want to change the bike color of the bike. Whatever the case is, you can change. So very powerful AI platform here, and if I can scroll, you can see other videos created by other people around the world. As you can see, you can always go ahead and follow them as well. You can comment on the video. You tap on the comment button here. As you can see here, you can leave a comment, you can leave a like. Also tap on the three dots here. And if you don't want to see any more of this video, you can tap on not interested and you're good to go. And as well, you can tap on their profile and see other videos that they have created, which pretty much is public, which other people can see. As you can see here, this is pretty much most likely a Dragon AI type of content creator here. You can go ahead and follow them. As you can see here, this person here currently has 900K followers, basically. So these are pretty much the AI videos that we generate. You can tap on the AI videos that we generate. As you can see here, but some cool AI videos. As well, you can follow them, as I said before. You can share their profile with your friends so they can follow them as well. And as well, you can tap on the photo icon here to not just generate AI videos, can generate AI images. So all you have to do is tap on the create option, and anything that comes to your mind you can pretty much create using this AI application here. So if you want to take a picture by using the camera icon, you can tap on allow. We'll take a picture right away, and whatever we want to take a picture for, you can either edit it right on the spot, whatever you choose, the option is there. Or you want to select something from the gallery, you can tap on the gallery option here. We'll ask permission to your storage, just tap on the image that you want to upload, as you can see here, and enter what you may want to enter or what you may want to do with the image, basically. And if you don't have anything in mind, you just want to test out the application, can tap on the dice icon here. Will pretty much give you an idea of what you can generate. And all you have to do is just tap on our icon here, and it will start generating something for you that you may be curious about. So it's not going to take very long. It's very quick, and you don't need any credits or any coins or any subscriptions or this, as far as I'm understanding for this application here. It's most likely free. As well, you can edit this image here. As you can see, this is an image that's been generated. You can go ahead and maybe make some changes to the image. Let's say I want this popcorn stand here to be red, the language here to be changed from Chinese to English. I can simply do that by just entering the prompt or edit or entering the changes that need to be done. As well, you can scroll across here to see other ones that have been generated. You can choose any one out of these, can tap on the three dots over here and save it straight to my gallery. As well, you can tap on the animate option, and it will bring the image to life. And here you can pretty much enter what you want. So if you don't have anything in mind, you can just tap on animate, and it will bring the image to life for you. Very easy to use. And as you can see, it will take a few, not very long to see the image after it's finished. So very powerful AI application here. As you can see, it's really very fast, very fast. So once it's finished, this is pretty much the results. As you can see here, and as well, you can get the extended version of what's been generated here. You can change the specs, can change the style. It's all there. That's why you can tap on the three dots here and save it straight in the gallery. If you don't like it, you can delete it. But if you do like it, you can post it to your profile meaning your account on this platform here. If I do tap on this option here, I need to upload public videos. If I want other people to see what I create, can do that. And as well, you can edit my profile here. You can have one edit profile, you can set up my bio, name, my username, and as well my profile here. So very powerful AI application. It's going to be very big. I think it's very good application, not gonna lie. But that's pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. Let's see if we can help you. See you in the next one.